Let's advance and understand the different pricing strategies. So pricing strategy number one is purpose. Pricing strategy is a very important part of the success of your product. I hope you remember the 7 P's of a marketing mix: product, price, promotion, place, process, people, and physical evidence. Right? So let's understand how, why, and what of pricing strategies with an example. So let's say we live in a town of Henrietta, a small town with a population of 20,000 people. And you have realized that this town is missing a great product. It is missing a French patisserie shop. So you decide to open a small French cafe and hired a Michelin star French pastry chef, one of the best guys out there that you can put a hands on. He's a chef and he'll only worry about making the best products. But you also know that there is a limit to how much you can price and how much you can charge the customers, right? So you want to price the cakes appropriately so it matches how the cafe has been positioned. So when customers in the town of Henrietta look into the window, you know, they see the cakes have very high standards and very high quality. And this is how we have also positioned the cafe. The decor is very good, the ambience is very good, everything. So if we put up the following sign outside the cafe, which is simply all you can eat at €1, it would confuse the people of Henrietta who pass by the French cafe. They will wonder, why are the cakes with such high standards and quality being sold at such a low price, right? So we also need to make sure that the price was set in line with the other elements of the marketing mix, whether the positioning is in the line of the pricing and vice versa, right? We also need to care about the financial status of the resident of the town, right? Whether they have the propensity to pay or not. We also need to consider how likely are they going to value. So they're missing French patisserie, that is okay, but do they really value French desserts or not, right? And that's why you need to figure out what price should be charged from the residents that they will be willing to pay and they will consume our desserts, right? So when we set up our French cafe, we will create goals. We want 80 customers a day and we want to generate a monthly revenue of $17,000, let's say. So we need to price our beautiful cakes and desserts at a price so that we can achieve these goals and nothing else, right? And that is how you need to do your reverse uh, calculations, right? So to ensure our French cafe is also able to make state-of-the-art desserts and cakes, we also need to spend some money, which is the cost, which is rent for the cafe, ingredients for the dessert, equipment for the making the dessert, salary for the cafe, salary for the sous chef, salary for the menu, electricity bill, internet bill, marketing bill, etc., etc. So we also need to make sure that the price of the desserts is are able to cover all of these costs at a unit level, right? So what are the tools and strategies that you can use to set the right price? You can use pricing elasticity. You can look at competitive pricing. You can look at if there's somebody else who is selling something similar. What exactly are they selling at? You can go for skimming and penetration pricing. You can go for cost-oriented pricing, value-oriented pricing. Some of these tools and strategies we'll be referring and we'll be covering very soon. Okay, that's it for now.